How to change your name on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll show you how can you change your name on Facebook. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, open up your Facebook application and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And then what next you want to do is you just want to make sure to click on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner and go to the gear icon. As you're on this page, you want to go to see more in account center, and then you want to go ahead and click on personal details. So here what you need to do is locate the particular profile for which you want to change it. So I'm going to go with this one, and then here you could find name, and you want to change the name. You could go ahead and erase it first of all. And this is the one, and click the save button. After you've done it so, you'll have successfully changed it. Now as for this username, you could also go ahead and do it so. And if you're sure about it, click the done button. Now this is not valid or this is not available, so you have to make some changes. And if it is available, then you could go ahead and click on the done button, and here you could see this is how you could go ahead and make changes with the username. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.